Hello all, Emrys back. Today it's a sort of basic video about fitting wiper blades to my W204 Mercedes. It's been a bit of a pain actually getting the right wiper blades because there are about 3 different types, and you have to be very careful what you buy. Even the last ones I bought were correct ones, but they were for left-hand drive. Can you believe it? And a lot of people make that mistake. So be very careful that you get it for a right-hand drive. And specifically the wiper blade we're fitting today is this type. There are other types that are so much easier to put on. These are pretty simple, but there's some that you just literally just pushing on a bar, flipping around, and they've attached. This one's got a little clipping mechanism that we'll show you in a bit. But take a look. This is the type. Be very careful. Look at your wiper blade. See what's actually what type of fixing you've got. Like I say, there are about at least 3 different types, so check that out first and make sure you are specifically getting the right one. And I've decided to opt for a good make, which is, I've just come through the post actually, Bosch Aerotwin. Take them out of the box, let's show you. There you go. Let's take them out, one moment. Right, let's see if we can fit these bad boys now. Right, as you can see, there's some little clips at the back that you can push in a little bit to release it, but mine sort of like already bent in. You've also got, this is the vital thing that keeps it clipped in, because this whole unit clips out and it's just held in with this clip. Hence why I'm going to use my door key, or one of my little shed keys, and it's all a matter of just pushing these in and pushing this in and pushing forward, and then the whole lot should just obviously make sure the wiper's this way. It will release it obviously a little bit better, and it's as simple as that. How good is that? Now let's see if we can put the one of the new wipers back, that to slip back in. You can see on these actually they don't bother with those little clips anymore at the end, because they're not really doing a lot anyway, but you can see what happens. It's quite straightforward, I guess. Let's see if we can just angle. Yeah, you're gonna have to angle this out like this, and wow, that's a bit straightforward, isn't it? That's quite solid once that hooks in, and that just comes down. Now one thing I will say is be very important. Now what I should have done is when I took that off, I might have knocked it and it could have smashed down on the windscreen. So basically put that there in case you knock it, and without a blade that's going to do some serious damage. There you have it. Right, it's a little bit awkward to get to this side. Oh, there you go, that's not too bad. Right, just from a different angle, you can see it goes in that little groove, that little runner. Keep it all level, and it just slots down. Simple as that. Let's go and check these bad boys out, see if they work. There's my O2. Check this out. Right, see what happens. Are we ready? Oh, let's turn the radio off. Go away. And let's see. Let's put some water on. Oh my word! They feel. You can sense. You can fit. You can sort of. They're working perfectly. I've not known. They used to judder like crazy, and look at that. And I was getting smears all over the place, but that's doing a fantastic job. Wow, look how it's clearing.